Hey, what's up? It's Wick for Xiaomi 5, and today we're back for another mystery box. Okay, so this box is that big that it probably is gonna be a Mi scooter because I cannot think of anything else, or a TV. Let's head outside and see what's in this box. So we're back around 24 hours later because it started to rain like heavily yesterday, so I wanted to forward this to today. Here we go. Yeah, that looks like a scooter for sure. It's the Mi electric scooter. Oh, it's the Pro. Perfect. Okay, so it's the Mi Scooter Pro. All right, here we go. Oh wow. Come on, unboxing is a fun hobby to have. Some instruction manuals we find here. We need to attach the handlebar. It already turns on. That's cool, it's got a color display. I've read a little bit about it when it got announced a couple of months ago. So I know a little bit about it, but not enough yet. So we're gonna find out soon enough. And then lift this guy out. Here we go. Then we'll probably need a few screws. And then here is everything that we need. So let's put it on its stand and kind of clean up here because there's a lot of stuff happening. Power cables. And then there should be something like screws in this box as well. They're actually in here. So that's it. There's actually a small screwdriver with it. Here we go. So I'm gonna attach these 4 screws right here, and then I'm gonna go off outside and try this thing out for the first time. All right. So this is the first time actually trying out the Scooter Pro. Oh, that's fun. The bell actually works as a lock to lock the handle like that. Clips into place. So you basically just need to lock it like this. We turn it on. It should really just be a push. All right, so here you can see we've got the LED display. We've got a brake on the left handle. There's a little brake light here on the back. Let's get this thing started and let me bounce over to the Westbund where I can do a little bit of driving. Just tried the scooter out for the first time. So how this thing works is very easy. We've got a button here on top. We turn it on, and that's all there's to it. It will indicate the battery, it will indicate the speed, and that's pretty much all you need. So here on the right handle, we've got an acceleration knob, which doesn't work per default, so it's not gonna take off when we use this. On the left, we've got a brake, and here we've got a little bell. There's a small stand here. Once it's ready to go, you literally give it a push and then you can accelerate. There's a few modes. If you double click, you switch between the modes. So now it's set to eco mode. Eco mode is pretty much like beginner's mode. It doesn't go over like 15 km, 15 kilometers per hour. If you double click again, it goes into D, which is default, I guess. So then it's going a little bit faster. And you can go to S, super speed. So right now I'm going to be on S. I'm going to give it a little push and then you can actually use the accelerate knob to take off. So there we go. So as you can see, it updates the speed live on this display, and it also shows the current battery levels, which is very convenient. It's actually nice to drive. And right now I'm going to install the Mi Scooter Pro in the Mi Home app, as it connects to that over Bluetooth. And from the app I can monitor its speed as well and see its battery level, but I can also lock it over Bluetooth and install possible firmware updates as well. And this is what it looks like here in the app, and if I press it right here in the center, I can actually lock the scooter over Bluetooth. So overall the Mi-Scooter Pro has got quite some improvements. It's got a much better battery that allows you to drive much longer distances. It's got an improved LED screen that indicates battery level and its current speed. And it's got an improved motor that can accelerate a bit faster, and it allows you to ride up to slopes more easily. So that's about it for the Mi-Scooter Pro. I'm gonna take off and I will see you guys in the next one. Peace!